Hi everyone, welcome back to Hanson Never Done Farms.
Hi everyone.
We're out here on this little bit warm Sunday afternoon. It is chore time. The boys just got their feed. They're all doing just wonderfully. Jeff's filling up the water and we're about to let the ladies out. Do everything in order, that way we don't have to backtrack. Take you over to the boys. Yeah. Oh, boys. You're getting whatever fell. Hi, Cash. Goby and Titan. All doing very, very well. Almost ready for breeding. But let's go let these girls out. This thing. Hi, Bijou. Bijou was feeling under the weather the last couple days. Temperature was fine. Fomantia score was perfect. And so we think it was just maybe she had, either it was warm or she had a heat cycle. Gave her some probiotics and some B12 and she's right back to normal. This heat will do it, and them starting to show signs of heat, their heat cycles. We'll put them off maybe for a day sometimes, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Anytime you have a doe that's acting off, first things first, take their temperatures, make sure they're not running a fever. I checked her udder, made sure there was no hard knots, nothing like that, no signs of mastitis. She's drying off beautifully. No other signs that she was having any issues, so the B12, the probiotics, and got her set back up. So happy about that. It always worries me when they act a little different than what you're used to. Jeff's doing the pig chores.
The bull is following the back.
I know. I wasn't going to go get it though. I have an aversion to going in their pen.
They'll run you over.
They will.
Like this.
Today is Sunday, August 25th. You guys remember these two go to the processor on September 12th. So we are just a little over 2 weeks away. And they head out. And our pig raising will be done for the year. We have started them on, it's called corn chops. And it's just chopped up corn. Giving them that on the side. And Jeff's gonna brave it. He's gonna brave it. because they like to drag their bowl into the very back of their pen, and this old girl ain't getting in there. But if you can see through all the mud, they are just nice, just nice, you guys. There's no other way to put it. We're very pleased with the way these two have grown out, being raised on all that fresh goat's milk and fresh fruits and vegetables from the garden. They have absolutely just smashed it. We're very, very happy with the results. Of course, the proof will be in the pudding, and once we get them back from the processor, and or in the pork, exactly. The proof will be in the pork. Get them back and see how it is. We want them to be, you know, nice size, but we don't want a ton of fat on them. I think we're hitting it pretty good. He might have a little bit more because he's a, you know, a fatty fatso. Next time, let's remember to name our pigs what we want. Lardo maybe wasn't the right name for him. He's lived up to it.
Yeah. All right. Well.
They have enjoyed. Are you going in? Oh, I got it.
Yeah. Yes.
She's like, what are you doing in my pen? Oh, here comes Lardo. Oh, watch it. I kid you not, guys.
Right.
I'm done milking.
Emergency.
And so in the mornings, if I can, I just walk up to do my chores. I don't have to take the RTV every time. And I come up the other day, and it about scared these pigs to death. They're not used to me walking up. They're used to the sound of the RTV, and it 100% freaked them out to have me just walk up here. So they get used to certain things, and there's no straying from it. We are all ready for this heat wave to end.
Yeah. One more week.
We've got this week, and then by the weekend, by next weekend, we're supposed to drop into the mid to high 80s, and by the first week thereafter, they're calling it a cold front. We are supposed to be in the low 80s, high 70s, you guys, 50s for our lows, and we cannot wait. We cannot wait. I am definitely ready for a cool down. I'm ready for fall, not ready for winter. I don't want to be cold, but I am, along with most others out here this way, we are tired of being hot. We're tired of this heat. It has been a brutal, brutal summer. These girls are worried that these goaties are getting something they're not. Jeff mowed down there around the lagoon, and the girls got their grazing taken away from them. So they're going to come over here and check it all out. What happened, sis? Did you get stung?
We got stung?
I think Maggie might have gotten stung. She come off of the ground all 4 feet. Hi, Lucky. Oh, we need to put up the electric fence. They like to sneak past right there and go over and graze.
Let's get that all cleared out so it would be nice. Really nice to do that. I think anyway.
All right. Done with the pigs. I'm going to walk over and start getting the girls set up.
I hope they don't drag that bowl.
They will. They will. Alright, got these ladies set up. I am having to put feed out in other places because that is not enough room for all 16 of them. So thankfully Jeff built this with trays. They are starting to go through hay. Finally, their pasture is down, so they're going through about a bale a week right now. That'll go up, of course, once fall really gets into spring, and once fall really gets into gear and all this pasture dies back, goes dormant. So thankful for our hay and the hay we have in reserve. So anyways, I think it's time we can let these girls in. Got to do a head count of 16. Come on, girls. Make sure we get them all. And they all, you know, they all crowded around here. They forget. There we go. Now they're remembering. Annie's the only smart one. Oh, there goes Lily. There we go. That's my smart girls. Get in there and get you some. All right, we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hey, Prairie Rose, get off of there. What are you doing? Come on. Trying to teach these girls not to get onto the feeder. Just beautiful. My beautiful girls. What happened, Mags? You got it all to yourself, didn't you, sweetheart? That's my smart girl. Gonna start needing to look for alfalfa hay here pretty soon to put up for next year. I think last year we got it in December or January. So
we got 15 last year, or 15.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, this year we'll probably double that.
Oh, Lily.
Because I sure like the way these girls grew out. So, and our milk was wonderful. Had to buy our first gallon of milk today. The first gallon we have bought since February. We are very fortunate where we live. Let me get out of the wind a little bit, get you guys into some better lighting. Ugh, now I'm right in the sun. We're very fortunate. We get our milk from Brahms. It's kind of like a Dairy Queen, but better. And they sell only A2A2 milk, and it is so reasonable. Back where we're from, A2A2 milk was $8, $10 a gallon. From Brahms, I think today I paid $4 something. And that was actually high. Last year it was 2 gallons for $7, so it'll go back on sale. But if we don't have our goat's milk, we drink Brahms milk. It is spectacular. But of course we would much rather have our goat's milk. But I just don't want to milk all year, do I, sis?
Another thing, we won't have ice cream to a point.
No, no more goat's milk ice cream unless we just make it out of cow's milk. What, sister? Oh, you see me holding this. There's nothing in it, lovey.
Hey, there you are.
What you think, Trinity? Are you a good girl? Trying not to blind you guys with my white legs. Hi, baby girl. What? You are so sweet. Oh, you think I got something in here? I got nothing. I got nothing, lady. Yeah, see? It's empty. I already gave it to you. Somebody asked, why? Why do you collar your goats? Well, it's for a simple reason. I am pretty hands-on with my girls, and when I need to get a hold of them, it's a lot easier to do if they have a collar. That way, if I need to look them over, if I need to do anything, it's just easy. These are the breakaway collars, so they'll break off if they get them caught. So not a big deal, but that is why we collar our goats. Because while our girls are just about lap goats, they are not lap goats if you need to mess with them. Then they don't want nothing to do with you, and it's almost impossible to get a hold of them. Hi, baby girl. Snow. She is determined to be my best friend, or to have me feed her a lot more than I feed everybody else. But, alrighty. How are you doing, Maggie? I think, guys, we're gonna call it. Ow, get off my toe.
You count all of them up.
I did. There are 16. Cooler days are coming, and hopefully with that, longer videos.
What are you doing?
But I can't even express how brutal it can be out here, especially if you're in the sun. So we pick and choose our time out here. It is supposed to cool off next weekend, and all these girls are going to get worked. It's time for copper bullets and hoof trimmings, selenium. But anyways,
Ring on.
it is time. Out of my way, Missy.
Okay.
We are going to call it. We hope you guys have a wonderful week ahead. If you don't mind, give us a like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell.
Yeah, we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you for watching.